Hey guys, it's Chris here with CW Builds. Today we have an unusual video. We are learning how to replace the steering module in a 2005 Ford Escape Hybrid. The first thing you'll need to do is pull back the air box. You'll need to pull back the fuse box. You'll need to pull one bolt here, one nut, and then we'll go inside of the car. And if you look up here, there's a nut right here, right here, and right here. You remove those, and the module pushes right out. There are two plugs on the bottom. I removed them prior to pulling the module, obviously. And then on the back of the bracket, there's a ground. You have to remove that ground, remove the bracket, and put it on the new module, and then do everything in reverse.